Hey everybody, welcome back. Bill at Beck Machine here. Wanted to take a couple minutes today and kind of talk to you guys and show you a video of a project that I did about 3 days ago. I was looking at trying to speed up the reaming process along with improving the quality of the finish on the interior side of the chamber. Normally I run the reamer in and out by hand, clearing the chips as I go, and I wanted to see if I could run the CNC control to do all the reaming and possibly even make the final adjustment to the headspace a little bit easier than using the dial on the tailstock or any kind of DRO you got. Normally when I ream, I use the Pacific tool and gauge reamer holder, and once I get that into the chamber area, I also, snug this up just a little bit so the reamer doesn't flop around, just minimal amount. It can still wiggle this way a little bit, but it doesn't go back and forth. My thought was to take that and actually go a little bit tighter and snug it up a little bit and then just run the CNC control. So I thought I'd try that once and see what happens. The video that follows this little short segment here was shot just kind of on a whim. I just grabbed the camera while I was doing it, so I kind of edited that together, and hopefully, you guys get the idea. Just one other note that the chamber was pre-drilled and pre-bored before I started the process. Hope you guys like watching it, and I will catch you next time around. Thank you.